Well, this muffler has seen better days. Came off of a Grizzly 660 that had an overfueling problem. And when you come off a high throttle, it would go boom. Well, it went boom, and this is what happened. The metal's good in it, so what I'm going to do is I cut a piece of tin. I've traced out where the tin's going to sit on here. I'm going to put some ultra copper on it, which I've dropped somewhere. And anyway, I have a new tube, but I'm going to put it on here. Then I'm going to put the sheet on, and then I'm going to put some great big clamps on it. I got 4 of these. And then we'll see if we can't seal that up, let it sit overnight, and we'll put the heat shield on tomorrow and take it for a ride. It's not the prettiest, but we took it out for a ride, and it held together. So 40 minutes of hard riding, and it's still sealed up. So I think we saved ourselves about $400.